Hello students, the today's topic is operator precedence. Operator precedence means which operator having the higher priority than others in an expression. So when an expression or statements involves multiple operators, so Python resolves the order of execution through operator precedence. This is the table given here. So in this table different operators are given and what are their priorities. So look at here the parenthesis, this operator having the highest priority as comparison to the other operators. The second highest priority of this exponentiation. So if you are using the exponentiation, this exponent operator in your expression, so it will evaluate first before the other operators. Okay, look at here at the third position, the bitwise complement operator. So this complement operator, this is a bitwise operator that reverse the bit string of a given number. Okay, next is unary plus and unary minus. These are the positive and negative sign, so that also having the more priority than other operators. Look at the arithmetic operators here, asterisk, division, and the floor division and modulus. These four operators having the same level of priority. Look at here, all are written at the same level. It means that all the operator having the same priority. So if these operator having the same priority, so in which order they will evaluate in expression? So it will evaluate from left to right, means which operator will appear the leftmost, that execute first and then the next operator will execute. We have learned the BODMAS rule in mathematics, in which B for bracket, O for off, M for multiplication, D for division, then multiplication, addition and subtraction. So in mathematics there is a rule of evaluation of operators, but in computer language, so more than one operator may have the same level of priority. So look at here, so asterisk, and these are the arithmetic operator having the same level of priority. So whichever appear the left, so it will execute first, means left to right it will evaluate. For example, suppose asterisk is placed first and then division, so asterisk will evaluate first and then the division will evaluate. Okay, I tell you with example. So look at here, suppose 5 multiplied by 3 divided by 5. So the first 5 multiplied by 3 will evaluate, then the value of 5 multiplied by 3 will divided by 5. So here the result will be 5 multiplied by 3 means 15, 15 divided by 5, you will get 3. Okay, here 3. So look at here, the asterisk means multiplication. So multiplication and division, both operators are in this expression. So this is an expression. If you are forming this type of equation, so that is called expression. So here the expression is, and there are two operators used in this expression, asterisk for multiplication and division. Okay, the slash sign, that is for division, and these are the operands 5, 3 and 5. These are the literals used in this expression. Okay, so first 5 into 3, so this will evaluate first in this order. The expression will evaluate, means 5 multiplied by 3, because the asterisk is placed before the division, so the priority of division and priority of multiplication and division having the same, so whichever will appear left, that will evaluate first. Okay, and then 5. So when 5 multiplied by 3, you will get 15, and then 15 divided by 5, you will get 3.5. so in this order this expression is evaluates. And now suppose 5 divided by 2 multiplied by 3, suppose this expression you are forming. So in this expression again the division and multiplication, look at division and multiplication, both operator having the same level of priority, so which one appear left, that will evaluate first. So here the division sign is placed before the asterisk symbol, means multiplication sign, so division will evaluate first, and then the result of division, the 3 will multiply. Okay, so the 3 will multiply in the result of division, so you will get 5 divided by 2, so 2.5 multiplied by 3, so you will get 7.5. so this is the main you can say the way of execution, order of execution, when the operator having the same level of priority. Okay, so hope you can understand this level of priority. So I have used the example of asterisk and division, and these operators also having the same level of priority. If means if all 4 arithmetic operator having the same level of priority, so which one will appear left, that will evaluate first, then the next left, and the next left, means the order of evaluation from left to right. So which operator will appear left, so that will execute first, and then the next operator will evaluate. So this is the meaning of same level of priority. Okay, multiple, division, floor division, and remainder. Now the next priority of arithmetic operator is plus and minus, means addition and subtraction. So look at the operator. So these operator having the more priority than these two arithmetic operators, addition and subtraction. Means if there is asterisk symbol multiplication operator and the addition operator, so multiple operator will evaluate first, and then the addition will execute. Okay, so I'll show you with example. Suppose 5 plus 3 multiplied by 4, so what would be the result? Because 5 plus 3 multiplied by 4, so look at here, the asterisk, the priority of asterisk is more than this addition, so these two operand will evaluate first, means this expression will evaluate, and then the result of this expression will add into 5. Okay, it will add 5, so the result of 4 multiplied by 3 means you will get 12, 12 plus 5 means 17. So here the result is 17. So means the priority of operator, that matters, so you have to keep in mind while going to evaluate the expression. You must know the priority of every operators. Now these plus and minus, addition and subtraction operator, so whenever the arithmetic operators use, so all are these operators having the more priority than these. So here plus and minus both having the same level of priority. So same level of priority means whichever will appear first, they'll execute. For example, I am using the addition and subtraction. 5 plus 5, 5 plus 5 minus 4. So in this 5 plus 5 means 5 plus 5 will evaluate first, then the 4 will subtracted from the result. So this 6 is result here. Now suppose the subtraction sign is appear first, 5 minus 5 and plus 2. So 5 minus 5 will execute first, and then the 2 will add. So only the 2 is result, because 5 minus 5 0, 0 plus 2 2. Okay, hope you have understand the meaning of these priority of operators. Next is bitwise AND operator, then bitwise XOR operator, and bitwise OR operator. So after arithmetic operators, these operators are to be executed in the expression. Now the comparison operator, relational operators, and identity operators. So these operators having the same level of priority. Look at here: less than, equals to, greater than, equals to, not equals to, and this symbol is also not equals to. Both are not equals to. Okay, so we can use this symbol for the not equals to, and this symbol is also used for the not equals to. And double equal, that is the equality comparison operator. So whenever you compare the equality of two values, we have to use this double equal to check the equality of two operands. Is a identity operator means that object belongs to the same data type or not, so is used. Is not, so these are the operators. We will use this operator whenever we need in program, so we can easily understand the meaning of these operators when you are working on different programs, so you can easily understand the meaning of these operators. Next is Boolean not. Okay, not and or. So look at the logical operators. This is the order of evaluation of logical operators. So if the not is exist in an expression, so not will evaluate first, then the and will evaluate, and then or will evaluate. So this is the order of logical operator. So in logical operators, not having the higher priority than other two logical operators, not, then and then or. This is the order of evaluation of logical operators. So look at the chart here. So this bracket having the highest priority, and then the exponentation, and then these operators will use. So generally in our program, generally we will work on arithmetic operators, comparison operators, and logical operators. So relational operators and logical operators, the arithmetic operator having the more priority than comparison operator, and comparison operator having more priority than logical operators. Okay, next this is the operator precedence. Now the operator associativity. Operator associativity means if multiple operators used in a single expression, so in which order they will evaluate. So that is called operator associativity. Okay, so for example, I have shown in the previous example that multiple operator and division operator both has been used in that expression. So in which order they will evaluate, means the operator will evaluate in which direction, from left to right or right to left. Okay, so in Python expression, all the operators are evaluated from left to right. Okay, so that is called operator associativity. So in which order the operators will evaluate, that is called operator associativity. Okay, this is the example. I show you the definition of this. Associativity is the order in which expression having multiple operators, same precedence, is evaluated. All operators are left associative and only except the exponentiation. Exponentiation operator having the right to left associativity. I'll show you with the example. This is the example given here. So 7 multiplied by 8 divided by 5 and floor division by 2. So look at here, division, multiplication, division and floor division, all operator having the same priority. So in which order they will evaluate, because all the asterisk symbol, asterisk operator, and this division operator, and this floor division operator, all having the same level of priority. So it will evaluate from left to right. This is called operator associativity. Okay, and in means the 7 multiplied by 8, so this will evaluate first. So you will get 56 and divided by 5. Okay, then the result, then you will divide the value by 2, and this is that floor division, so you will get 5.0. Okay, so first 7 into 5 it will evaluate, then the result will divided by 5, and then the result will divided by 2, means the floor division, you will get only the quotient of that division, so that is 5.0. Okay, but when you are placing the bracket in an expression, for example here, look at here, the bracket is placed in this expression 8 divided by 5. So bracket having the highest priority, so this bracket will evaluate first, means in this expression 8 divided by 5 will evaluate first, and then look at the bracket again placed here. So the first inner bracket will evaluate, and then the outer bracket will evaluate, and the result will multiplied by 7. Okay, so 8 multiplied by 5, so 1 point something it will return, and then that will divided by 2, so quotient will be 0, and 0 multiplied by 7, so 0.0 you will get. Okay, here look at here, so 8 divided by 5, now the bracket is placed in these two operands, 5 floor division 2, so 2 2s are 4, so 2, this will return 2 because 2 is the quotient of this expression, and then 2 will divided by 8, so you will get 4, and 4 multiplied by 7 you will get 28. Okay, so this is the operator associativity, means in which order the operators will evaluate, so that is called operator associativity. Okay, but in operator associativity in Python, all the operators are evaluated from left to right except this exponentiation operator. If more than one exponentiation operator is used in expression, so it will evaluate from right to left. I'll show you with example. So look at here. First I tell you the arithmetic operator 2 plus 3 multiplied by 5. Okay, so what result you will get? So 2 plus 3. So look at here. So the this operator having the higher priority than this one. So the 5 multiplied by 3 evaluated first, will evaluate first, and then the 2 will add into in value. Okay, the 5 multiplied by 3, 15, you will get 17. But when you are placing the bracket, suppose 2 plus 3, suppose I am giving 2 plus 3, then multiplied by 5. So now the 2 plus 3, even the priority of asterisk is more, but this bracket having the more highest priority. So this bracket will evaluate first, and then the result will multiplied by 5. So this will evaluate first, the 5 plus 3, 5, 5 multiplied by 5, you will get 25. Okay, so the order but just you see the order of evaluation. So always it is evaluated from left to right. But look at here. So to exponentiation operator I am using. Okay, look at the result. This number is generated by this expression. So how it is generated? So first, because there are two exponent operator used in this expression. Okay, so first 3 to the power 4 and that value is the power of 2 will evaluate, means 3 to the power 4. So look at here, 3 to the power 4, 3 to the power 3 to the power 4, you will get 81. Okay, 81, and 2 to the power 81, 2 to the power 81, you will get the same result. But when it evaluates from left to right, so 2 to the power 8, 2 to the power 3, to 2 to the power 3, you will get 8, and 8 to the power 4. So look at here, the result is 4096. So you can easily understand when the more than two exponent operators used in expression, so it always evaluates from right to left. Okay, from right to left when exponent, only the exception for this operator only. And if you want to evaluate from left to right, so just place the bracket 2 multiplied by, so just place, because you want to execute this expression first and then you want to get the result. So look at here, so just I have placed the braces in this expression, so this expression will evaluate first and then the result will raise to 4, you will get 4096. So this is called operator associativity. Sorry. Now the next topic is expression. Expression in Python is any valid combination of operators, literals and variables. So when you form an equation, so that is also called expression. The equation generally we are using in mathematics, so the same thing is also is here, so that is called expression. The expression is composed of one or more operators, operation with the operators, literals and variables as the constituents of expressions. Okay, so in expression, so we can use variables, we can use literals, and we have to combine them with the help of operators. So operator actually that gives instructions, so what action is to be taken on the operands. Okay, so that is expression. So Python puts it in this way, a valid combination of atoms. Atoms means the something that has a value. So suppose if you are using a literal, so that is also a value. If you are using a variable that also having some value, so that is called atom. Atom means anything that has some value, so that is called atoms. So combination of atoms and operators form Python expression. In simple words, an atom is something that has a value. So when atom is to be asked, so you can just tell the atom means that has some value. So all of these are atoms in Python. Identifiers, this is also called atoms, literals, and the value in enclosures such as quotes, parentheses, brackets. So for example, string, tuples, list, dictionary, these are the separate data types, and we will learn these data types in separate chapters, string, tuples and list and dictionary. So these are the data types of Python. The expression in Python can be of any type. Arithmetic expression. Arithmetic expression means only arithmetic operators values is used in that expression. String expression. In string expression, the strings values are used. in that expression. Relational expression means only relational operators are used in that expression. Logical expression means logical operators are used in that expression. And the compound expression means in this expression the operator may have arithmetic and relational and logical. So all the operators can be used if more than one operators are used in an expression, so that form compound expression. The type of operators and operands used in an expression determine the expression type. So first look at the definition of expression. The expression in Python is any valid combination of operators and atoms, and expression is composed of one or more operations. Okay, so look at here, the expression can be compound expression too. So look at here, this is an example of compound expression, a plus b. So look at here the arithmetic operator, and look at here, this is the relational operator, this is again arithmetic operator, this is the logical operator or, and this is the arithmetic operator, this is the comparison operator, you can say the relational operator, and here again the arithmetic operators. So in this expression, arithmetic operator, relational operator and logical operators, so all operators are used in this expression, so that is called compound expression. So if in expression only arithmetic operators are used, so that is called arithmetic expression. If only relational operators are used, so that is called relational operators. And if only logical operators are used, so that is called logical expression. And if in expression logical, relational and arithmetic operators used, so that is called compound expression. So let us talk about these one by one. For arithmetic expression, so look at the definition of arithmetic expression. Arithmetic expression involves numbers, integers, floating point numbers, complex numbers and arithmetic operators. Relational expression, an expression having literals, variables or any valid type of relational operators is relational expression. For example, these are the valid relational expression. Look at here. So only the relational operators used in this expression. X is greater than 2y. So this is the relational operator, greater than, less than or equals to, y is less than or equals to z. So look at here, this is the relational operator. Look at the here, this is the not equals to sign. So z not equals to x. Okay, z equals to q. And look at, this is the chain expression. This type of expression is allowed in Python. So x is less than y and y is greater than to z. So this is the combination of two expression. X is less than to y and y is greater than to z. So this is this type of expression is called chain expression. Okay, a chain comparison we can say. So look at here, this is also an example of chain expression. So x is equals to y and y not equals to z. So this expression you can just form this kind of expression also if more than one comparison is to be used. So we can also form expression in this way. Logical expression, and logical expression having literals, variables or any valid type and logical operators is a logical expression. Look at here, and or not, these are the logical operators. And if only the not and or is used in an expression, so that is called logical expression. Look at here, a or b, so or operator is used only in this expression, so this is called logical expression. Look at here, b and c, because and is a logical operator, so this is logical operator. Look at here, a and b, not b. Okay, not c or not b. Okay, so only the logical operators are used in this, that's why it is called logical expression. Look at here, string expression. Python also provides two string operators, addition and multiplication. So these two operators used with the string expression, and when they combine with the string operand and integers form string expression. So plus operator to concatenation operator, the operand should be of string type only. Plus is called concatenation operator and the asterisk is called replication operator. So when we apply the plus with the string value, so it will concatenate them. Okay, when you use the multiplication operator with the string, so it will replicate that value. I'll show you with example. So this is suppose one string is hello, and then if you are placing hello world, okay, so it will form a new word. So these two string value has been concatenated, so it forms a new word. Okay, so and when you are using the, suppose I'm using my name and I want to appear this 5 times, so just multiply it with the 5. So look at the value, this value is replicated 5 times. So this is the use of replication operator. Okay, and now move to the next. And this string manipulation is being covered in separate chapter, chapter 7. So we will learn the string manipulation in chapter 7 also. Now evaluating expression. So while going to evaluate any expression, we must keep in our mind the priority of operator. So precedence of operator is must in your mind while going to evaluate expression. Okay, next chapter, next lesson we will discuss on evaluating expression. Thank you.